About to hop in the FF Ferrari V12 4-seater. Here you go, guys. Here's an RWB Porsche. I want to talk about something, guys. What's up, guys, and welcome back to Horsepower Cartel. Now, I'm on my way. I left Philly. I'm on my way to Richard and Roman's house. Got new wheels for the SL500, SL60 tribute car. To make it period correct, we got the wheels. They're going on now. They're so sick. They're two-piece monoblock wheels, or three-piece, I'm not sure. Hot day, 114 degrees, 116. Okay, 118, 119. I swear to God, it just keeps going up. Go watch. 121, look. I'm not making this up. 122. That's because I'm in the dead heat on the highway, you know. So, yeah, 123 degrees out. Really hot day. Definitely want to probably hop in the pool or something. I want to talk about something, guys. I want to talk about, I've been busting my ass. You know, I'm on vacation right now, but I'm still busting my ass, getting you guys the content you guys want and deserve and need. But the views are going down, so I'm probably just gonna do one video a week. Probably just do one big video. We put up a poll on Instagram. Everyone said no, still do 3 videos. Don't do one video per week, one long episode. I'm gonna try doing that. Just do one long episode. You know, you guys watch it longer. Maybe you guys can watch one episode per week, you know? I know some of you guys look forward to all the episodes coming up and stuff weekly, but honestly, for some reason, the views are going down. I have no idea what's going on. I don't know where you guys disappeared, or you guys aren't liking the American content. Some of you guys really love the American content. I don't know why the views are still so low where they are. So we're gonna try something out, you know. Probably post 2 videos, or maybe just one long video in a week. I hope, you know, no one gets upset and, you know, stops watching. You know, please watch. We need your support. For now, you know, the views are going down. It's really frustrating. It's annoying because we're putting in the work. Ruel's putting in some extra work, you know, busting out 3 videos, you know, in a week. And it's double work because I have to upload. You guys think it's all fun and games, but I have to upload the videos. Ruel has to download the videos, put everything together, edit it, the B-rolls, everything, the background music, everything. It's a lot of work, and you guys aren't, you know, appreciating it. So, and I know there's some of you out there who really appreciate what we do, and you guys go ahead and share the stories. I really appreciate it. Shout out to you guys. You know who you are. But right now, until I'm back, I don't think we're going to be doing 3 videos a week. So, let's see. I don't know. Just a thought. Me and Ruel still got to talk about it. So, and I know by the time you guys see this video, we probably made that decision. So this is the reason why we're doing that. Keep that in mind, okay? Because I'm recording this way after a bunch of videos that's probably been posted already. So there you go. So until then, by the way, I got updates from Red Line Auto Horse, my buddy Akshay. M3 is painted, not all the way, but they started painting on the M3. They started work on the LX. Of course, the LX is go Designo Desert Sand, same color as the S-Class that you saw, the Black Bison. M3 is going to a very special shade, BMW shade, nothing crazy. Definitely an eye catcher. It's going to look great with the red interior. So I'm really looking forward to that. Evo is also under restoration. The Infiniti is all said and done. There's some suspension parts that were messed up. The misfiring is fixed. I spoke to a mechanic, Majib. He said the car is running like a dream. Come back and drive it, you know, enjoy it. So yeah. Evo's under restoration. That's going a crazy nice color. I don't know if I should give you guys a hint on what brand of car is coming from. Okay, let me just give you this hint. It's a German brand. It's a sports car brand, and the color is coming from that brand. So anyways, right now we're just headed. So well, let's just skip to a nice scenic B-roll until I get to Roman's house. So finally here at the farm too, and we got an FF over here, which is his uncle's car. We're gonna be hopefully taking it out later. There's that 65. This is an FF, beautiful shade. Rosa, actually, I'm gonna call it that color. It's called resale red. Of course, you got the Cullinan and these cars up front. So yeah, let's meet up with Roman. I haven't seen him in like since Sunday, I guess. I don't know. About to hop in the FF Ferrari V12 4-seater. Hopefully the wheels fit in here. Oh my god, this thing's steaming hot. Oh my god, it's so hot in here. Put the key in. The seat is so hot. 220 miles per hour. Let's go. Let's do a little full send. A little full send. Right, so the boxers are huge. They did not fit in the FF. So we're heading back now. We're going to pick up the GLS. This FF, man, oh my god, this thing is supercar goals. This thing's awesome. Oh my god, handles so good. Alright, so we tried to take the FF out, but that was a fail. Look how big these boxes are, man. They're 2-piece or 3-piece AMG monoblock wheels. Very rare wheels. Roman actually got these from Russia. The guy was nice enough to paint them to match the Designo Mystic Blue of the car, color matched it perfect, and we got him to fit it, you know, the person over there. With these 2-piece wheels, you really want someone who knows what they're doing to put them together, because they tend to become loose. They start, your tires start losing air, you get flat tire. It's a lot of headache. So anyways, right now we're on our way to Modena Customs, I think, and we're gonna get the wheels put on the SL60 tribute, and finally have it looking period correct, and get a little stancy stance going, you know, a little stance, so increase the stance, make it look better, because right now it looks like it's missed out on leg day. But yeah, it's gonna look so dope. I can't wait. Finally here at Modena Customs. Check it out, they got some cool cars here. Here's the BRZ, but check out this Evo. I guess an Evo 8? I'm not sure. Full race car shit. Damn. It's so dope. How dope is this? Then we got an Evo 10 over here. Got another Evo 10 over there. Another Evo 10 over here with some sick Volk racing wheels. I guess wrapped in auto cray. How dope is this? Damn, Audi RS3, some cool cars here. M4, Toyota Corolla. I'm just kidding. Here's a Corvette, Stingray, normal. Bentley, i8, Maserati, Porsche. But as we pulled in, I saw some really cool cars outside, so here it is. I'm going to show you guys in a bit what these cars are. Here you go, guys. Here's the RWB Porsche. How dope is this? I love the acid green color. Here's the LBW GTR on air suspension. How cool is that? So this shop is Modena Customs, aka Eternal Shop. Modena Customs is actually down the street, but this is their other shop, Eternal Shop, it's called. How cool is this? Got some flakes in the paint too. I don't know if you can see it. So let's cut to a real quick B-roll. That's really good packaging. And on the lip, they put this foam. 2 things of styrofoam. So we gotta be careful. Like a doctor. Be like a doctor, okay? Open this up now. Make sure you don't scratch the wheel.
That's what I'm doing, like a doctor, brother. Oh, this looks good, man.
Oh my god, let's just wait till it's done. Oh my god, look how nice that looks. Sparkle, sparkle. It's gonna look so dope on that. So dope on the car.
Yeah. The lip came out perfect. Oh
yeah, he refinished them. Guys, check out these wheels. Check around that. Alright, so we got one side on. Looks so dope. Totally changed the look of the car. Let's wait till they're all on. It's gonna look crazy. Guys, check it out. C63 with the Black Series wing. Check out that hood. It's got a clear top so you can see the hood engine. Big, massive 6.2. It's wrapped in a very nice orange shade. Lava orange. Looks like the lava orange from the Porsche. We got two of the wheels ready to go on. Alright guys, so the wheels are finally on. It looks so dope. Here it is. There it is, guys. So roll, let's get to a B-roll. What do you guys think, man? This thing looks so flex. So flex. Changed the whole look of the car. Get some B-rolls on the road. Let's go. And of course, you got the old wheels in the back. Are all the four of them back there? I guess so, hopefully. So yeah, looks cool, man. Check it out, guys. A86. This was the old workshop. Modena Customs. How dope is that? Okay, so we got Prentice over. You remember him, he has the S4. Roam it to me, so let's take out the, oh my god, look at this. Look how dope this looks. You wildin'. This looks so good, bro. I'm gonna take the SL500 for a quick trip. And it's a two-seater, but we're gonna make Prentice in the back. Put one foot on the tire, on the top of the tire. Yeah, you just step on top of the tire. There you go. It was made for this, bro.
This is fire. Yo.
He's chilling. Let's go. Gonna leave all these cars and we're gonna hop in the Tribute because because no one can have this. It's 101, right, Prentice?
most expensive car I own.
It's most expensive. It's the biggest liability. Definitely a one of one. I know, plus this stunt bothering look. Robert goes, no one cares about the roll bar because it's a safety feature. No one wants to be safe in the 90s. Everyone's just high on cocaine and
having a good time.
Having a good time, yeah. Flipping over a SL is the last thing on their words.
It's an automatic roll bar, so if you get an accident, it automatically comes up in a split second.
Yeah.
So there's no point keeping it up. I mean, it's going to come up when you need it.
Yeah, aerodynamics. Woo, my man boasting. Okay, I see you. The car feels so much more planted with the new wheels.
It feels good with the wheels, dude.
No vibration, nothing.
We'll see when we top 60.
Okay.
Race car, dude. It's perfect. Not a vibration.
Wow. stopped at
I'll
Rita's
get to
Water
this one. You
Ice
wanna
to
wear
get
this
some
one?
water ice. Can I take your eye back there?
Okay.
It's popping.
Okay, I'll put.
So we got our Rita's Water Ice. Rome, how's your water ice?
Amazing and healthy.
Amazing and healthy. Prentice doing some
Ninja GQ right here.
I'll take it to go.
ninja skills. Well, that's it for now. See you guys in another episode. Right, Prentice?
Yep.